Welcome back to Speak Up English, everyone.
Today, we're diving into a topic that stresses out almost every adult on the planet.
Money.
Exactly. And we are asking a life-changing question. Can money make us happier instead of anxious?
So today, we're exploring the philosophy of Ken Honda, also known as Japan's Zen millionaire. His big idea is something called happy money.
I love that name already, but his message is even deeper. He says your technical knowledge about money, your money IQ, is actually less important than your emotional intelligence with money, your money EQ.
For him, happiness and prosperity are completely connected, and he discovered this through one very strange story.
Ah, yes, the wallet story. He meets this mysterious woman at a party. She asks to look inside his wallet. Already weird.
Very weird. But he lets her, and she starts looking at his bills one by one, saying things like, "This one is sad. This one is happy."
Then she hands him back the wallet and tells him she was checking if his money was smiling or crying.
And that's the core idea. Money isn't just paper or numbers on a screen. It carries emotional energy.
If you earn money with resentment or spend it with fear, that energy stays with the money.
Which means our goal is to recognize that energy and change it on purpose.
And Honda's story is powerful. He became financially free at 29, but he didn't write about money until one moment changed his life.
He saw a stressed mother dragging her daughter away from a playground just so she could rush to a job she hated.
He realized that having money isn't enough. You need emotional freedom with money too. And that's when his mission became helping people find prosperity without burnout.
Now let's break down his main idea. Money flows like water. It can either flow as happy money or unhappy money.
Happy money is exchanged with love, gratitude, genuine appreciation, like getting paid by someone who truly values your work, or spending money to help someone you love.
Unhappy money is the opposite. It comes from resentment, fear, guilt, like working a job you hate or paying a bill while feeling ripped off.
And here's the key. Even if the other person doesn't care about happiness, you can still generate happy money by the energy you choose.
You control your half of the exchange. That alone breaks the cycle of stress and scarcity.
Now let's talk about money IQ and money EQ. Money IQ is the technical stuff: interest, taxes, investments.
Necessary, but not enough. Money EQ is emotional. How do you react to a big bill? How do you feel spending on yourself? Can you handle loss without panic?
Honda noticed many rich people with high IQ but low EQ are miserable, afraid of losing what they have.
Meanwhile, people with high EQ attract wealth naturally because they treat people and money with warmth and trust.
But if EQ is emotional, where does it come from?
From childhood, we inherit our family's money wounds. Their fear becomes our fear.
So Honda created 5 money personality types. See if you recognize yourself.
The compulsive saver, motivated by fear.
The compulsive spender, chasing control or excitement.
The compulsive earner, obsessed with achievement and validation.
The indifferent type, who ignores money completely until disaster hits.
And the monk type, who believes money itself is bad and feels guilty for success.
None of these types are logical. They're emotional responses to our past.
So how do we transform our money story?
Honda's answer? Gratitude. Arigato. Thank you.
You say arigato when money comes in and even when it goes out.
Yes, even paying the electric bill. You're not losing money, you're blessing the transaction.
You're changing the emotional energy. That shift creates positive flow.
And then there are practical ways to grow happy money. Give a little more than expected. Buy from people you genuinely like and celebrate money when it comes to you.
Your joy becomes a magnet. People want to keep giving value to someone who's grateful. So, what's the big takeaway?
The only part of money you truly control is how you feel about it.
Real wealth is freedom, presence, relationships, and finding your personal enough. When you step out of fear, you step into flow.
And Honda leaves us with one more question. If future technology makes survival cheap, like salt once went from currency to almost worthless,
Then money wouldn't feel like life or death anymore.
so if money weren't about survival, how would you choose to use your talents and your time?
And what is one small arigato you can start practicing today so your money begins to smile?
That's today's deep dive.
If you enjoyed this conversation, share your money personality in the comments.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again to grow your English
And
and grow yourself.
see you next time on Speak Up English.